Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Wilkinson here, founder of CameronLimitless Marketing, and in this video I want to share with you this big idea that I want to teach you on the training, and it's currently what's happening right now in the internet marketing space, and you've probably already seen it, but I want to explain it to you on a drawing on this whiteboard so you can kind of get the idea. So what's happening right now is that there's people on social media and they are making bank. Okay, they're making a whole bunch of money, and you've probably seen this before, right? And this is what's happening. Very few people are doing it, and then there's people on this side, and they're not on social media, but they are making bank too. They're not out there shouting the rooftops. They're not out there making a whole lot of noise. They're just quietly banking money with an internet business. Okay, and then there's people in the middle who are doing neither or, and they are in the middle. And they're maybe doing a little bit of social media, a little bit of the internet business, but really these people are lost and they're getting weeded out and they are failing, my friend. And what we're going to learn about and what I'm going to teach you on this training is how you can go from either the masses or wherever you're at right now to going over to this side to where you can quietly bank money with an internet business and not have to be out there on social media like everybody else trying to make it, because very few people make it over there. What you're going to learn is how you can go from the masses to this side to where you can have your own internet business. If you're already an internet business owner, how you can use this strategy to build your own island. And if you're just getting started, I'm going to show you a simple strategy of how you can get started. If you're an existing business owner, you can take this idea and apply it to whatever it is you're doing. And I look forward to seeing you in training, because this is going to help a lot of people, because there's lots and lots of people out there trying to make it online, and they're out there on social media, and very few people are making it on social media right now because you can't control that environment. What I'm going to teach you how to do is how you can build an environment that you control, build your own economy, your own island that you can really run and be the government of, kind of thing. So if you're excited and want to learn about this brand new internet marketing strategy, because the old ways of internet business is changing, and it always changes, and this is the most current, up-to-date, relevant strategies, my friend, to really dominate with coolness and do what the big massive brands are doing out there right now. Because social media is not really a game that you want to depend on, my friend, and what you're going to learn is how you can build your own metaphorical internet island business and all that cool stuff, my friend. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the training. If you're interested in learning how to do that there, if you're feeling like the masses and you really want to just quietly bank money, my friend, I'll see you on the training.